Good morning, guys. It's very early in the morning. Thought I would check in with you guys. I don't have much to report, much going on, just living life. I'm going to share a vlog style type with you, some fishing moments and some waterfall and crazy stuff with my dog. It's really hot. I'm trying to get my vitamin D in. So I'm down 2 more pounds. It is Shark Week, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So I'm hoping that after that is over, my body finally has a release and I'll be down a little more, but I am still down 2 more. So that's like 5 pounds altogether. So I'm headed in the right direction. Still drinking my water, still doing my at-home exercises. Basically just living everyday life, doing what I can, enjoying time out when I can. Just living, guys, just living. I'm going to show you some updates of my plants and some of the things that I'm doing. I'm just going to share with you, and then maybe I'll have like a little encouraging word there at the end of the video. But yeah, this is what I've been up to. This is what I'm doing. Oh, and on top of it, if you guys are interested at all in seeing what I'm eating, right here I will put my weight loss Instagram. It's called Missy Shrinks. Down below in the doobly-doo, of course, but this is what it looks like. I post pretty much what I eat on a daily basis there, and I think I'm going to start filming myself exercising, which is like a big deal for me, and I might even post little clippets of things that I'm doing in my house there. So I promise you I'm going to show you my chair exercises. It's more my mind over matter kind of things. It's like I don't mind filming it and sharing it, but it's like I don't want to rewatch myself back doing it because I don't want to get discouraged. And I feel like watching myself exercise and seeing how I look doing it and all that may really discourage me. So that's honestly and truly what I'm struggling with, because I definitely don't mind sharing. I share pretty much everything with you guys. Is I just don't want to get discouraged while I'm in a groove. But I'm going to break through that as well, and I promise I will share. But yeah, let's go to the next clip. Ew! I don't do worms. Oh, he's like, please let me free! Ew! Ooh, he's feisty.
Yep. He knows what's about to come.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry, worm. I'm so sorry. Yeah, guys, I don't bait my own hook. That's just gross. Ew. we use little bread balls or hot dogs. Oh, I'm so sorry, wormy. There's my line. I'm fishing! They got the kite up in the air. We got a snake. See it? So look at the snake, guys. I'm following it. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at the snake. What was that?
That was a snake. Is it going out there now?
Yeah, why did it do that?
Probably because he's getting away from us.
That's the second one we've seen. Ew. Dozer. You're adopted. Yes, you are. I'm sorry. Sorry. So there is my peppers. We had to put a little bit of lattice work over my strawberries because I had 3 really nice strawberries and birds ate them. Ugh. And then I'm going to try to do this without like shaking too much. But look at my herbs, guys. Look at them. So I have basil. Like this is basil. This is cilantro. That's parsley. All these are coming in. Look at these pepper plants. And then on the ground over there, you probably can just see the tips of it. I planted 2 tomatoes, and my peppers over there are doing fantastic. Those are bell peppers. The peppers, the same as that peppers from the same pepper pack that I put in my actual garden in the front yard. They're doing horrible. I think I told you guys about that. The day before I planted all my vegetables in my garden, my raised garden, we had True Green here, and he sprayed our grass. And I think he got stuff in my garden because everything that I planted in my garden will not grow, and it's a weird green-yellow color. So that's why I chose to, oh, is that my finger? Is my finger in the way? Yes, it is. I'm sorry, guys. So I chose to plant some peppers and tomatoes on my back porch as well. But that's an update. Everything's doing really, really well, except for my garden.